Good morning guys. So it's currently our last full day dito sa may Taiwan. Lamig. Bakasyon pero pinatin siya. 3. Mas nasin ko dyan man. So full throttle kami today. There's so many places that we need to visit pa before ng departure naman tomorrow. So ngayon naman mag-breakfast muna kami and I don't know if bukas sila ngayon. Let's check it out. Thank you. Open sila guys. So we're gonna have our breakfast here. Yan. Ito di kamas, kanyo tayo. Tapos na kami kumain and right now pupunta na kami ngayon sa may train station doon sa Ximen. And we're just gonna take the Songshan Xinjiang line. After that, sasakay kami ng bus papunta sa Lohas Park. It's gonna be like a full-blown cherry blossom doon ngayon. So let's check it out. Tingnan nyo guys, ang ganda ng weather today. No, hindi umuulan. It's gonna be sunny all day, I hope. Tsaka peaceful this morning. Yan na guys, nakalabas na kami ng Songshan Station. Dito kami labas sa may exit 3. As sasakay kami ng bus, number niya is 203. Dito na naman tayo sa bus. Bako wala naman tayo ha. It says here na sa kabila. So we're just gonna walk for like 1 minute. Yung sasakyan naming bus is 203. Songshan Rail Station, Bade. Tapos 203, yan, 203. It's gonna be somewhere here. Ay grabe ang lamig ngayon guys. It's currently 13 degrees. Gonna guys, tumating na after 10,000 years. Guess what? Guess what? Mali na naman sinakyan namin. Sa kabila pala dapat. Taga ito na yun, Shinju Village. Ayan o, 203. Ito pala guys oh. Ito, sakto na to. I swear. Ayan guys, nakasakay na kami sa tamang bus. Yeah, malapit na tayo. Alright guys, so this is what the Lohas Park looks like. Ay, ang ganda pala dito no. Ay, ang ganda. Like literally ang daming tao ngayon. Kung pumunta kayo dito during February, I highly suggest na pumunta kayo dito mga early in the morning. Ang ganda niya no, it's so bloom. Yan guys, so chill muna kami dito. Ang ganda no. May ako naka-experience na maraming cherry blossom sa palibot ko. Yan guys, so merong doll na nilagay dito. Hindi ko sure kung ano yun. Model? Japan. Ang ganda dito. Ang dami pa rin tao ngayon. And it's almost lunch time. Tsaka dito, may mga bubuyog. No, ang ganda no. Yan. Itong part ito is nagustuhan ko kasi wala siyang dahon na green. See? So imagine ang lalakad ka dito. Yan. Yung sa doon na side kasi may green na mga dahon. Ang ganda dito guys. This is Lohas Park. Ay, ang ganda. First time ko maka-experience ng ganito, yung maraming cherry blossom. Ang ganda pala no. Bagay wala sa akin ito. Ang ganda dito, it's underrated. So I really suggest na pumunta kayo dito ng mga aga. Alright, ngayon naman is pupunta na kami ngayon sa Taipei Main Station because maglalaro kami ng gacha. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yan na guys, dito na kami ngayon sa may Songshan Station and we're just gonna ride a train papunta ng Taipei Main Station. Yan guys, so bali, pwede nyo naman ma-check dito kung saan yung Y na section. So dito na part is K and Z, which is underground mall yung K. And sa Y naman is yan, Taipei City Mall, which is where we are going. So it's this way. Grabe no, Taipei Main Station tapos may mall sa ilalim. So cool. Ay, may mga ano dito, Guardians of the Galaxy. Yung game yan. Resident 5. Ay, grabe. Yan oh. Ang lapad pala dito. So, saan yan? Ay, grabe. Ang dami ditong gacha guys. Oh. Tingnan nyo yan. Ay, grabe. Isang area talaga dito. Hinanap ko dito is yung One Piece. Ay, dandadan. Ah, dandadan. Hala. Hala. Tatlo. Ay, mang mahal. Pali 150. Ay, mahal. 250. Pula. Sino kaya yan?
Pula mo tanan, joke. Ah, si babae.
Ang sabi ng universe sa akin is huwag ka na gumastos. Tama na yan. So, yan. Ayaw niya ako palaruin. Si Julius na lang. Go, Yos. Guys, akala namin yun na yun yung mga gacha games. And guess what? Meron pa dito. Ang dami. May doon pa sa kabila. Baka dito meron dito na ano. Parang hindi ka pakakawalan ng lugar na to kung hindi ka makapag-gacha. Once na kami naglaro ni Yos. Parang ayaw na namin. Meron ano doon, ang mahal. Meron kaming compare doon na parang sa Taicho mga around magkano yun? Parang 200, di ba? 200. Tapos dito parang 300. Parang ano talaga, tatlong 50 coin. Yun ang na-notice namin kanina doon. So right now naman is hanapin namin yung red line papunta ng Taipei 101 because we have a scheduled observatory na tour doon sa Taipei 101. It's gonna be 3 PM. Let's go. Alright guys, so nandito na kami ngayon sa Taipei 101. Kaka-exit na namin galing Red Train. Ito yan. So, pinapalo lang namin yung exit 4, which is Taipei 101. We're actually late na. Supposedly 3 PM yung ano namin, yung ticket. And it's already 3:31. Yan. Yeah guys, dito na tayo sa may Taipei 101. Ay, ito na pala yung sikat na, no? Na escalator. Bawal na magano dito, di ba? Amo dyan, sikat ng escalator. Yan guys, sapasok na kami. Nire-ready ko lang yung ano ko, yung ticket. Go to the ticket counter first to get a new ticket. If you're on more than 30 minutes late. Hala.
First, matutunan sa counter.
Yun guys, apparently we're more than 30 minutes late. So we need to have like a new ticket. So punta lang namin yung ano, yung ticket counter muna. Ang ano pala dito, pang social, mga hard evangelista yung nagsa-shopping dito. Yan, Louis Vuitton, Bulgari, Burberry, Dior. Okay, observatory. Ang daming tao. We are actually late. It's supposed to be 3 PM. No need to change ticket?
No, no change ticket. You can keep going.
Okay.
Okay. Over there, turn left.
Okay.
Keep going.
Thank you. Hello, we got from Klook.
One by one.
Okay. Second one.
Okay, thank you so
Okay,
much.
thank you. We're gonna try one of those fastest elevators in the world. Actually, it will only take you like 10 seconds na pupunta doon sa tuktok. Wow. Grabe ang bilis. Thank you. Medyo foggy siya ngayon. And you can see the entire Taiwan skyline. I think San Yat-sen yan yung. Grabe no, ang ganda ng Taiwan. Tsaka madami pa rin dito mga kahoy, mga trees, mga plants all across their city. Amazing. guys, magkakape lang muna kami ni Yos dito sa taas ng Taipei 101. Kape tayo guys. Hindi ko gusto yung caramel macchiato nila. Sige pa tayo dito. Dream High Exhibition. I think ito yun, Tuned Mass Damper. During earthquake, like yan ang ginagawa ng damper to keep the building steady. Nag-earthquake yan guys, oh. Like actual earthquake yan. No.
Ang lamig.
Ay, ang lamig. Ah, grabe. Ah, lamig. Ay, ang ganda. Yan guys, no? So it's pretty much the same. Hindi mo siya actually makikita kasi merong ano dito, harang. However, ma-feel mo dito yung ano, yung breeze sa taas. Grabe ang lamig dito sa taas guys.
Grabe.
Ma-feel mo talaga yung lamig. I don't know if marinig nyo ako kasi grabe yung hangin. But this is what it looks like sa taas. Ito naman yung sa tuktok ng Taipei 101. Yan guys, nakalabas na kami ng Taipei 101. And right now, we're just walking papunta ng Takimura Izakaya. It's one of those photo spot na maganda kumuha with your background ng Taipei 101. Also, we're gonna hike doon sa Elephant Mountain and after that. Look at this. Yay! Taipei 101. Diba? Nakamoto tayo dyan.
Grabe ang ano, ang speed
Yan.
ng elevator.
Ang ano dito guys, oh, may mga lights sila dito ng ano, Christmas lights. Ay, ang ganda. Ayan guys, nandito na kami. Hala, ang daming tao. Yan. Yan guys, nakapunta na kami doon sa may Takimura Izakaya. And finally, nakapag-picture ako doon sa wakas. So, right now naman is we're just walking. Papunta kami ng Elephant Mountain. We're just gonna hike. So, lumakad na kami guys. Malapit lang talaga dito. Yung pag-enter mo ng Takimura Izakaya, picture ka lang doon. Then, walk ka lang dito. Yan, ito. Oh, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Xiangshan Station. Sige, akyat tayo. Bakasyon daw. Bakasyon, pero pinutin siya. Ay, nako. Nagpahinga, oh. Diyaon. Tag 2 steps tayo. Or 3. Ay, grabe naman si Lola. Kaya pa yan, oh. Alam nyo guys, ang dami ditong local na umaakyat. Like, ginagawa lang nilang normal talaga na routine everyday. I think mas maganda talaga dito pag pumunta kayo mga hapon. Or during sunset. Grabing cubs. Sana all. Okay guys, so may mga part nila dito na mga exercise or calisthenics. Meron itong pull-up bars. At saka guys, meron sila dito mga AED just for emergency. And meron sila ditong phone number in case of emergency. Kasi nga, paakyat to. And you'll never know what will happen sa mga umaakyat. So, yeah. At saka meron nila sila ditong guide in case of emergency, how to do CPR. Yan, refill the energy. Ah, ito yung parang sikat na ano. Sikat na view. Ito. There it is. And that's the Taipei 101. Right there. Tinulangan naman siya ng lights.
Oh,
see?
much better.
Okay, we will help with the lights then.
Yes, down.
There, like that. There you go.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Maybe a little bit lower so that the Taipei 101 is inside the circle. Yeah, like that.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much.
Can you help me to... One more.
Of course. Okay.
Thank you for lighting us up.
Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3. Yan guys, so that's the Taipei 101 nandito sa Elephant Mountain. Alright, so bababa na kami. So, ano pa sa lubong naman sa Pilipinas? Sipon. Sipon, ubo, plemas. Dito yung nakikita ko, nagpipicture sila, umakyat sila dyan. Pero kasi bawal yun, guys. Huwag nyo gawin. Sorry about that. Just messing with you, man. Where are you from?
I live in England currently.
England.
Yeah, from America originally. Chicago.
Chicago.
Yeah, but then via Austin, Texas, and Arizona.
Working?
I'm visiting here. I'm in academia, so I've got a collaborator here, and I'm visiting him for a week for my project. Yeah.
So this is just like a side trip.
Yeah.
How long are you staying here?
Till Saturday.
That's awesome.
What brings you here?
Just vacation.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah.
Where's home?
Philippines.
Okay, cool.
Have you been to Philippines?
Not yet, no.
You should.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Beautiful
Like-
places, lot of beaches.
Yeah? Okay.
Have you been to other places?
No, I'm just staying in Taipei. Yeah. Are you exploring the
Yeah,
island?
we did.
Yeah? Okay. Alright, well I'm going to venture to the peak now.
Yeah.
This
All
is
right,
my hike
yeah.
for
Just a
the
few more
trip.
steps.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
You'll get there.
See ya. Have a great
See ya.
night.
Enjoy.
Bye-bye. Ang hirap niya pala pong bumaba, guys. So, pupunta kami ngayon ng Ichiran Ramen. So, it's just like a few minutes walk lang mula dito sa may Takimura Izakaya. So, let's go. We actually just walk around 10 minutes mula doon sa Elephant Mountain. Pababa. So, yan na siya. Pakita ko sa inyo. Yay! Ichiran Ramen ng Taipei. 2 people? Yeah. So, we're just gonna wait for 1 hour. 60 minutes daw. Ito yung ginagawa namin. Yung bar exam. Sige. Yung dashi, usually medium. Richness, yung recommend sa akin doon dati. Gusto mo extra rich or rich lang?
Extra rich.
Sige,
Kasi gusto
extra
mo yung
rich.
mama.
Garlic medium lang din. Green onion with chasu, sliced pork yan. With mild lang din yung spicy niya. Extra noodles, medium lang din. Tsaka, gusto mag-alag egg?
No, I don't want salted egg.
You don't want salted egg? Sige. Soft drinks?
Yeah.
Cola? Yan guys, pumasok na kami. 53, 54. Thank you. Shit. Tadi ka mas. Extra rich. Ito yung gusto ko. Tapos yun. Mag-order kayo ng Ichiran Ramen guys. Lagay nyo extra rich. Parang gusto kong paano ng ano, ng pork. Magkano kaya? Yan, order ko guys ng extra pork. Ito na guys, tumating na yung ano, yung sliced pork ko. Yan. Ubos ko na guys. Grabe ang sarap. Kamustahin naman natin si Yos. How is you? So right now is balik na kami ng hotel. We're gonna empake because early pa kami bukas aalis ng hotel, then lilipat na ng airport. Goodbye Taiwan. It was a great 2 weeks travel experience dito sa Taiwan guys. Papunta na kami ngayon ng airport and it's currently 6:30 AM. So we're just gonna take the airport express doon sa Taipei main station. I'm also gonna figure it out paano makapunta pala. So let's go. Yun guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa may Taipei main station. So sinakyan namin is yung blue line mula doon sa Ximen papunta dito ng Taipei main station. So it's just 1 stop away. And right now naman is ni-figure out namin kung paano makapunta doon sa airport express. Para sa Japan ha. Ano dito yun? Since we're gonna take Airport Express. Let's go. May nagmamadali dito. Siguro sundin ko na lang sila. Ay, kaka-stress talaga kapag wala kang airport transfer, no? Taoyuan Airport MRT. Dito ngayon, guys. Sige. Let's go tayo dito. Hindi na kami bibili ng ticket since meron pang laman yung easy card namin. Ito guys, so 49 minutes. So mas mabilis yung yung express train. Kukunin naman yung express train, guys. Dito kami papasok. And we can actually use our easy card. And 160 lang naman yan. Is that going to the or platform 2? Platform 1 tayo. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yan na guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa Taoyuan Airport, Terminal 1. Yan guys, so nandito tayo, number 12. Hala, ang daming pila. Ayun na guys, so kakatapos lang namin ng check-in tsaka security. And ngayon naman, pupunta na kami ngayon sa aming gate. So yun lang naman yung process ng papunta ng airport dito at tsaka yung check-in. Nakapabilis dito, as in, although maraming tao kanina, yung process dito sa may Taoyuan Airport, ang bilis nila mag-handle ng mga passenger. Yan. I think I will end the vlog here. Thank you so much for joining us for this entire series ng aming Taiwan vlog, and I hope to see you on the next country that we're gonna visit. I don't know, probably kasama natin si Yos or magso-solo tayo, but I would like to thank si Yos mag-join us sa ating Taiwan tour. Alright guys, so thank you so much. Bye bye. See you on the next one.